Have you ever wondered why dusk shots are so captivating in real estate photography? Today, we're diving into the magic of twilight photography, exploring tips to create stunning dusk shots that sell properties faster. Let's get started. Dusk shots are a game changer in real estate photography. They highlight a property's elegance, create an inviting atmosphere, and evoke emotions that daylight shots just can't match. They're especially powerful for properties with outdoor lighting or water features, making them stand out in listings. To capture stunning dusk shots, you'll need the right gear. Here's what I recommend: a DSLR or mirrorless camera with a wide-angle lens, a sturdy tripod for long exposures, a remote shutter release to avoid camera shake, and, of course, practice with manual settings. Timing is everything. Aim to shoot during the blue hour, 20 to 30 minutes after sunset, when the sky turns a rich blue and lights inside the property start to pop. Here are 3 must-know tips. Use a low ISO, around 100 to 400, to reduce noise. Set a smaller aperture, like f8 to f16, for a sharp image. Experiment with long exposures to balance the ambient light with interior lighting. Editing is where the magic happens. Use software like Lightroom or Photoshop to enhance your dusk shots. Focus on these adjustments. Bring out the warm tones of interior lights. Enhance the blues in the sky. Adjust shadows and highlights for a balanced look. For a professional touch, use HDR blending to combine multiple exposures for the perfect image. Here are a few bonus tips to take your dusk shots to the next level. Turn on all interior and exterior lights, including lamps, pool lights, and landscape lighting. Remove distractions like cars from driveways. Scout the location during the day to plan your composition. These small details can make a big difference. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more photography insights.